Wireless sensor networks. What does it mean? So I would like to discuss about wireless sensor networks today. These are the subjects related to computer science and engineering division. So let us define it. Network. What is a network? Network is something. There are two nodes. They reside at different location, but they exchange the information. Nodes in the sense, maybe human beings, or maybe a computer, or maybe something, whatever it may be, a node exchange the information with another node, and both the nodes are at different locations. So this is called network. So wireless in the sense, so between the node there is a communication. So that communication happens without a wire in the sense without a cable, without any line which is without any cable that is lying between the nodes, means physical cable. Without a wire, there we must establish communication between nodes. That is called wireless network. So here we are trying to discuss wireless sensor networks. Means each node is going to be a sensor. That is the point. A network of sensor means sensors communicates with each other without a cable. So that type of network is called wireless sensor networks. So what is the advantage of this? So before going into the advantages and disadvantages, just think about some of the applications which uses this wireless sensor networks. See, sensor is required to detect something. For example, maybe humidity in a particular location, maybe temperature at some particular location, something like that. So sensor is something which uh, determines or detects the some parameters which are all required by us. So these type of sensors are connected, means networked, such that the sensed information will be collected without a wire to some server, where that server is again used by the authorities to know what is happening at some remote location. So this is about wireless sensor, or maybe so due to some power failure. I would like to take up this video again. Thank you very much.